Hello my dear students, class 6th. In my previous video, we have done the first chapter of your honeysuckle. Who did Patrick's homework? In that video, I have given you the full explanation, the meaning of difficult words, rhyming words, and so many things. So, before doing this video, before listening this video, this is my true advice to all of you to see that previous video of full explanation of this first chapter. Okay? बेटा एक चीज़ मैं आपको बहुत क्लियरली बता दूं कि जब भी हम कोई लैंग्वेज सीखते हैं ना, चाहे वो इंग्लिश है, चाहे वो पंजाबी है, हिंदी है, उस लैंग्वेज में सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट बात होती है कि हमने कंटेंट को कितने अच्छे से रीड किया है और उसे अंडरस्टैंड किया है। ठीक है, क्योंकि बिना चैप्टर की अंडरस्टैंडिंग के हम कभी भी अपना 100% उस चैप्टर में दे ही नहीं सकते। ओके, तो आई होप कि आपको मेरी बात समझ में आ गई हो कि आपके लिए फुल एक्सप्लेनेशन समझना चैप्टर की कितनी इम्पॉर्टेंट है। लेट्स स्टार्ट चैप्टर नंबर 1, हु डिड पैट्रिक्स होमवर्क। इस वीडियो में वी विल डू द NCERT सॉल्यूशंस, ऑल द क्वेश्चंस, द स्पीकिंग पार्ट, द राइटिंग पार्ट, and the last question of your NCERT questions, that is the question of a cartoon. So I hope you will see this video till the end. Now chapter number 1, who did Patrick's homework, NCERT solutions. Now here question number 1 is for you. Before doing the question number 1, I would like to ask you one question. Did you like to do your homework? Many of you definitely they are right now saying that no ma'am. This is the favorite answer of the students. Anyhow, let's begin with the NCERT solutions. Question number 1. In this first question, refer to that part of the text whose number is given against the question, like this 2. This applies to the comprehension questions throughout the book. पूरी बुक में आपके कैसे कॉम्प्रीहेंशन क्वेश्चंस जो हैं हम करेंगे। देखिए, व्हाट डिड पैट्रिक थिंक हिज कैट वॉज प्लेइंग विद। हाँ, क्या सोच रहा था पैट्रिक कि उसकी कैट किसके साथ खेल रही थी? व्हाट वॉज इट रियली, और सचमुच वो चीज़ क्या थी? ये सेकेंड पैराग्राफ से आपने फाइंड आउट करना है आंसर। सो आंसर इज पैट्रिक थॉट। यहाँ देखिए डिड है क्वेश्चन में, तो आपका सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब लगेगा थिंक का, दैट इज थॉट। सो पैट्रिक थॉट दैट हिज कैट वॉज playing with a little doll. Okay, it was in reality a very small or little man, that is an elf, a small character in the folk tales having magical powers. So Patrick thought his cat was playing with a little doll, but in reality that was not a little doll, it was a little man, that is an elf. Okay, this is the answer of your first question. Now next is question number 2, that is question number 2, why did the little man grant Patrick a wish? जो छोटा सा आदमी था एल्फ, उसने पैट्रिक को क्यों विश ग्रांट की? हाँ, द लिटिल मैन, अब देखो यहाँ पे ग्रांट है ना, तो उसका ग्रांटेड आ गया। ग्रांटेड पैट्रिक अ विश बिकॉज ही हैड सेव्ड द स्मॉल little man's life from the cat. Okay, that's why the little man granted him a wish. Question number 3, what was Patrick's wish? Patrick की क्या wish थी? Answer is Patrick's wish was that the little man शुड डू ऑल हिज होमवर्क। जैसे आपकी विश होती है ना कि आपके पेरेंट्स, आपके बड़े भाई बहन आपका होमवर्क कर दें, है ना, तो ऐसे ही पैट्रिक की विश भी थी कि जो लिटिल मैन है उसको उसका सारा होमवर्क कर देना चाहिए। और ये होमवर्क का उसने टाइम पीरियड भी फिक्स कर दिया कि कब तक उसको ये होमवर्क चाहिए। ही फिक्सेस द टाइम दैट टिल द एंड ऑफ द सेशन के एंड तक उसको उसका होमवर्क कंप्लीट चाहिए। वाई? बिकॉज पैट्रिक हेटेड डूइंग होमवर्क। आपकी तरह उसको भी अच्छा नहीं लगता था होमवर्क करना। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, इन व्हाट सब्जेक्ट्स डिड द लिटिल मैन नीड हेल्प टू डू पैट्रिक्स होमवर्क? कौन कौन से सब्जेक्ट्स में ज़रूरत थी? 5 और 6 पैराग्राफ को देखकर आपको आंसर करना है इसका। मैथ्स, इंग्लिश एंड हिस्ट्री, ये 3 सब्जेक्ट थे बेटा जिसमें उसे ज़रूरत पड़ी थी हेल्प की। ओके, तो ये आपने याद रखने हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो है आपका दैट इज़ योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, राइट? क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में बेटा आपसे क्लियरली ये पूछा गया है दैट हाउ डिड पैट्रिक हेल्प हिम। क्वेश्चन है आपका पैराग्राफ नंबर 7 से, एनसीईआरटी की बुक में आप देखेंगे, फाइंड आउट करेंगे आंसर दैट हाउ डिड पैट्रिक हेल्प हिम। ओके, 7th पैराग्राफ में से देख के आपने आंसर बताना है पैट्रिक ने एल्फ की कैसे हेल्प की। नाउ डिड है तो अगेन सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ हेल्प, हेल्प्ड। पैट्रिक हेल्प्ड हिम इन मैनी वेज। नंबर 1, in English subject, he gave him a dictionary. Look up the word and sound it out by each letter. उसने डिक्शनरी देखी और उसके लिए वर्ड भी फाइंड आउट किए, उसको प्रोनाउंस भी किया हर लेटर से। तो इस तरह से इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट में हेल्प हुई। सेकेंड, मैथ्स सब्जेक्ट में ही सैट बिसाइड द लिटिल मैन एंड गाइडेड हिम। वो छोटे आदमी के पास बैठ गया और उसे गाइड किया कैसे कैसे करना। हिस्ट्री सब्जेक्ट में पैट्रिक बहुत सारी बुक्स लेके आया लाइब्रेरी से, ब्रॉट बुक्स फ्रॉम द लाइब्रेरी फॉर द लिटिल मैन्स हेल्प। In this way, we find out that in English subject, math subject and history subject, the little man took help of Patrick in many ways. Okay, right? Now next question is question number 6. Now look here. In question number 6, who do you think did Patrick's homework? The little man or Patrick himself? Who did the homework? Now you have to give reasons for your answers from paragraph 9 and 10, right? Now in answer is, I think it was Patrick himself, okay, who actually in reality did all the homework because he had helped the little man in all the 3 subjects, English, maths and history, by providing books, giving guidance in maths and searching words from the dictionary in English subject. Now, in reality, Who do you think that Patrick's homework was done by little man or Patrick himself? So answer is what? Patrick himself did his homework. Okay? Because he helped in so many ways. In so many ways to the little elf in completing the homework. Now I am showing you your NCERT book, Honeysuckle. Now after doing the question answers, we will do the fill in the blanks. Okay. Now your first question is fill in the blank A part. Fill in the blanks in the sentences below with the words or phrases from the box. You may not know the meaning of all the words. So look such words in a dictionary or ask your teacher. First is out of luck, means out of luck, your luck is not with you. Luck is not working. Mystery means strange things we don't know. That is known as mystery. Now, true to his word. Now, look here, when we give promise to anybody, we should true to our words. So, true to his words means he is definite. Then chores, daily routine work, semester. Now, look at this word semester. In your classes, first terminal, second terminals, what type of these exams? These are known as semester exams. Between you and me, beautiful word. Between you and me means no third person is there. We are just talking about two person, you and myself. Okay. Look up means to see. Here look up word in dictionary means to see the word, to search the word. Some people find household chores, household work a bore, but I like to help at home. Now, who stole the diamond is still a mystery. It is a mystery. Nobody knows who stole the diamond. Now, next question number 3. This semester we are going to have a class exhibition. Semester means you know very well what we are going to do in this semester. A class exhibition, right? Okay. Exhibition, you know very well there are so many exhibitions done in your schools. Now next question number 4 is true to his word. Now what is the meaning of true to his word? यानी अपने शब्दों का पक्का होना, प्रॉमिस को पूरा करना. हाँ, तो पैट्रिक को हेल्प करने के लिए ही वॉज ट्रू टू हिज वर्ड. नाउ नेक्स्ट, फिफ्थ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. Can you look up the word in the dictionary? Can you look up the word in the dictionary? Now, sixth question is, I started early in the time, है ना? I started early to be in time, but I was out of luck. There was a traffic jam. Okay. Now, next, seventh one, she says she's get lots of books, but between you and me, I think most of them are borrowed. Okay. Now next one is your next exercise. After filling the blanks, now next is your clue type question. Across, some clues are given to you, okay, and downwards also some clues are given. Across means we will forward horizontally, and down we come vertically down, okay. Very tired, what does it mean? Second one, had an angry look on the face, facial expression is this. Third one, short trousers. Then a fault in a machine that prevents it from working properly. A small and naughty boy fairy. These are the sentences. Then in downwards, work that must be done every day, often boring. Then a basket with a lid gave a short, high pitched cry. These are the sentences, and you have to find out the answers of these sentences. So, look at this. We will first move horizontally. First one is weary. Very tired means weary. Veary. Second, it is scowled. The facial expression anger. Scowled. Next one is breeches, short trousers. Bri. Then next one, glitch. Glitch means fault. Fault in a machinery. Then elf, the little man. These are the horizontal across words to these sentences. Now we will do the clues of vertical. Hamper, 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 a basket. That is known as hamper. Now next one is chores, household works, Chores. Then next is a pitch cry, high pitch cry, that is known as shrieked. Now we will look in the book that this word is mentioned in the right side of your book, which have the meaning that high pitched cry, loud cry, which is known as shrieked. So the spelling is SHRIE, then K. It is KED, shrieked. High pitch cry is known as shrieked. Okay. After doing this question, we will next forward to other question given in your Ncert book. Now, question answers are very important. These can come in one words. Next is very important part, that is speaking. For understanding, for learning a language, speaking is very important. Now, in the story, Patrick does difficult things. Now, you also do these difficult things in your life also. Tell your classmates about it. Okay? Or say what you feel about homework. What do you feel about your homework? The words and phrases are given in the boxes. They may help you. Do you think it is useful? Even though you may not like it. Form pairs and speak to each other. This exercise is very important to improve your spoken English. For example, You may say, what you may say, I am not fond of homework. Your partner may say, but my sister helps me with my lessons at home and that gives a boost in my marks. These are the words and phrases given in the box. Use them. I have done for you, and you also try to make your own sentences and speak them with your partner, with your parents. For example, in speaking part A, some words I have chosen for speaking. I am not very fond of keeping my clothes clean, but my mother does all this for me. Okay? Then your partner will say, I have not developed a liking for fast food like burger, pasta, but my family does not support me. This is the answer of other child. Then I have taken to playing cricket. One of the student will speak like this. He can also say that I appeal to my friends to play. Okay? I Then sports can be a boon in career making. Now next one is reading books give a boost to my confidence, right? Now these are the sentences which are spoken between the two students who are communicating with each other. They are saying with each other, they are speaking. Now next part is also very important, that is of writing. Okay? होता क्या है, टीचर्स क्वेश्चन आंसर्स में ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टेड होते हैं, सिलेबस कंप्लीट करवाना होता है तो ये पार्ट छूट जाता है. बट दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू इम्प्रूव योर इंग्लिश. The story has a lot of rhyming words like poem. Can you write some parts of it like a poem so that the rhymes, the end of this separate. For example, Patrick never did homework, too boring he said. Then Ninto instead, look at those sentences, too boring he said. When we speak, we then often leave words that are easily be guessed. We do not do this when we write. बोलने में तो हम छोड़ सकते हैं लेकिन लिखने में हम छोड़ नहीं सकते हैं, वर्ड्स को मिस नहीं कर सकते, है ना. तो कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स हैं जो स्पीकिंग में मिस हो जाते हैं, बट वी कैन गेस what will be the next word, but some of the words they are not spoken, but while writing those words we have to write the sentence in full form. Okay, next one is, so if we write carefully we would say homework is too boring, he said. Next question. Rewrite the following sentences. Incomplete sentences. More and more books, too difficult, got up late, missed the bus. We can write these incomplete sentences in complete form. I have done this for you. People, you can make your own sentences also. Now look here, 6th class students. Answer is, I read more and more books. Okay, this is the complete sentence. I read more and more books. Now this maths problem is too difficult to solve. Complete sentence. Yesterday I got up late and I missed the bus. This is also complete one. Crime branch of police solved the mystery of murder. Okay, this is again a complete sentence. By using these incomplete words we can make the sentences. You can do other sentences also. Okay, now next question is very important, like this writing portion. C part we have done. Now D, look at the cartoon by R.K. Lakshman, who drew this cartoon. Read the sentence given below the cartoon. Discuss the following questions with your partner also. Now this is the picture of the cartoon. Okay, what is it about? This is the cartoon. It with your homework, the sums, the composition, history, geography, chemistry, physics, and stop reading the laws against child labor. Okay, so this is a family concern for a child. This cartoon is about a family concern for a child. Now, do you find it funny? Do you find it funny? If so, why? Yes, it is funny because parents, they want that their child should study the subjects like composition, history, but he is doing what? He is just reading the laws against child labor. So this is also a serious drawing because the it draws our attention towards the problem of every child, not paying attention towards elders advice or teachings. Okay, so it is not good to read the laws against child labor and not studying the main subjects, right? My dear students of class 6th, you should remember the author of the chapter. Who is the author of the chapter? That is Carol Moore. Okay, this questions is you are going to get in your exams. So listen carefully. Carol Moore is the author of this chapter. Who did Patrick's homework? Very important. Learn the spellings also. Spellings matters in language. Now, before completing this video, I would like to thanks all of you for your patience and support. Thanks everyone.